Welcome to a world where 9-to-5 jobs are becoming a thing of the past, a world where you are your own boss. Yes, we're talking about the freelance economy, which has exploded in 2024. Today, more and more individuals are choosing to tread the path of freelancing, fueled by the desire for flexibility, independence, and the opportunity to turn passions into paychecks. The current landscape of freelancing is a vibrant mosaic of diverse skills and talents, spread across various industries. From graphic design to coding, writing to consulting, the freelance economy is booming like never before. The gig economy, which includes freelancers, is also on a meteoric rise, powered by technological advancements and a shift in work culture. In this dynamic world, freelancers are not just surviving, but thriving, creating their own rules and defining their own success. So, are you ready to jump into this fast-paced world of freelancing? Let's find out. And before you make the leap into freelancing, take a moment to evaluate your readiness. It's essential to consider both personal and professional aspects. On the personal side, do you have the discipline, motivation, and resilience needed to work independently? The freelance world can be a roller coaster of highs and lows, so emotional resilience is key. Professionally, assess your skills and experience. Do you have a marketable skill that is in demand? Do you have enough experience to confidently deliver quality work to your clients? These are critical questions to ask yourself. Financial stability is another factor to consider. Freelancing can be unpredictable, especially in the beginning. Do you have enough savings to tide you over during dry spells? Remember, readiness doesn't mean you have everything perfectly sorted out. It's about being prepared to face and overcome challenges. Having a clear understanding of your readiness is the first step towards successful freelancing. Every successful freelancer has a solid business plan. It's not just a document but a compass guiding you through the foggy world of freelancing. This plan is a blueprint, outlining your services, identifying your ideal clients, and setting your pricing structure. It also entails your marketing strategy, how you plan to reach your clients, and how you'll differentiate yourself in the marketplace. The road to freelancing is fraught with challenges, but a well-crafted business plan can help you navigate them. From fluctuating income to competition, these hurdles can be daunting. Yet with thorough research, strategic planning, and a dose of resilience, they can be overcome. Set realistic goals and timelines. Freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. Your progress may be slow initially, but with persistence and patience, you'll reach your milestones. It's about consistent growth, not overnight success. Remember, a solid business plan is your roadmap to freelance success. In the world of freelancing, having a diverse skill set is a major advantage. In 2024, the freelance landscape continues to evolve, with new skills continuously coming into demand. Skills such as digital marketing, data analytics, and content creation are just a few examples of the competencies sought after by businesses today. The beauty of freelancing is you're not bound by the confines of a traditional job role. You can wear multiple hats, and the more skills you have, the more opportunities you open yourself up to. But remember, it's not just about acquiring new skills. It's about adapting and staying relevant in a fast-paced environment. So, where can you develop these skills? There are numerous online platforms offering courses in a wide range of fields. Websites like Coursera, Skillshare, and LinkedIn Learning provide excellent resources to expand your skill set. Stay adaptable, keep learning, and you'll thrive in the freelance marketplace. Your online presence is your storefront in the freelance world. And just like any storefront, you want it to be inviting, professional, and a clear representation of who you are and what you can offer. So, where do you start? Well, begin by creating a professional portfolio website. This is your digital resume, your chance to showcase your skills, projects, and testimonials. It's your story, so make it compelling. But don't stop there. Social media platforms are not just for sharing cat videos. They can be powerful tools to showcase your work, engage with your community, and yes, attract clients. Post regularly about your projects, share useful content, engage with your followers. Remember, it's not about selling, it's about building relationships and trust, and always keep evolving. Update your portfolio, tweak your social media strategy, and never stop learning. Because in the end, a strong online presence can be your ticket to attracting high-quality clients. In freelancing, your network is your net worth. This can't be overstated. Your network can open doors to opportunities that you might never have discovered on your own. It's about who you know, and more importantly, who knows you. So, how can you build this network? Let's start with online platforms and communities. LinkedIn, for example, is a goldmine for freelancers. It's not just a place to find jobs, it's a place to connect, engage, and build relationships. Join groups relevant to your field, contribute to discussions, share your insights. But don't stop at LinkedIn. There are countless forums, social media groups, and online communities where potential clients and fellow freelancers gather. Find these spaces, be active, be helpful. And remember, networking isn't just about taking, it's about giving. Share your knowledge, offer assistance, be supportive. Building professional relationships is all about reciprocity. Remember, networking is a long-term investment that can yield big returns. So start investing today. Financial planning is crucial for a successful freelance career. As a freelancer, you're not only the talent but the entire financial department, so understanding your finances is vital. The unpredictable nature of freelance income makes budgeting an essential tool. Start by identifying your baseline expenses, which are the bare minimum costs you need to cover each month. Then, add in discretionary spending and savings goals to create a comprehensive budget. An emergency fund is your safety net. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses to protect yourself from unexpected events or slow work periods. Insurance, often overlooked, is another critical aspect of financial planning. Health, disability, and professional liability insurance can provide a buffer against potential risks. Remember, as a freelancer, you're a business. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you retain after your expenses. Financial stability is not just about earning more, it's about managing your money wisely. The way you manage your client relationships can make or break your freelance career. Communication is key. It's important to keep your clients informed about your progress and any potential setbacks. When it comes to collaboration, ensure that you understand your client's vision and align your work to meet their expectations. Negotiations and contracts can be tricky. Be clear about your rates, timelines, and deliverables to avoid misunderstandings down the line. Remember, it's okay to negotiate, but always respect your worth and the value you bring to the table. Setting clear expectations from the get-go can save you from a lot of hassle. Make sure both you and your client are on the same page regarding the project's scope, deliverables, and timelines. And let's not forget about feedback. It's integral to growth and improvement. Take it constructively and use it to better your craft. Good client relationships are the backbone of a successful freelance business. One of the biggest challenges freelancers face is achieving a healthy work-life balance. As your own boss, you have the freedom to set your own schedule, but this freedom can be a double-edged sword. It's easy to find yourself working around the clock, blurring the lines between work and personal time. Proper time management is key to overcoming this challenge. Start by setting clear working hours for yourself and stick to them, just as you would in a traditional job. Breaks are important too. Take time to step away from your work, whether it's for a quick walk or a lunch break. Also, don't be afraid to set boundaries with your clients. Communicate your working hours to them and avoid responding to work-related calls or emails outside of those hours. Finally, remember to take care of your health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are crucial for avoiding burnout. Remember, work-life balance is crucial for long-term success and happiness in freelancing. The freelance market is constantly evolving and you need to keep up. It's like a river, constantly in motion, twisting and turning. New opportunities emerge as old ones fade away. To stay afloat, you need to adapt, to evolve, to change. In this dynamic landscape, relevancy is your lifeline. It's crucial to monitor the pulse of the market, to stay aware of new trends, technologies, and tools. You can't afford to be complacent. It's not just about what you know today, but about what you can learn tomorrow. So how do you stay relevant? By being a lifelong learner. Seek out new skills, embrace new technologies, engage with your peers and your industry, participate in forums, webinars, and workshops. Read widely, listen to podcasts, take online courses. Remember, there's no end to learning and no limit to growth. Staying ahead of the game is all about embracing change and continuously learning. Freelancing comes with its own set of legal and tax responsibilities. As a freelancer, you're essentially running your own small business, and this means you need to be aware of the legal aspects that come with it. This includes understanding contracts and ensuring you're protected when it comes to intellectual property. It's essential to ensure all agreements with clients are formalized in written contracts outlining the scope of work, deadlines, and payment terms. On the intellectual property front, be clear about who owns the rights to the work once it's delivered. Always ensure this is defined in your contracts. Tax planning is another crucial aspect. As a freelancer, you're responsible for your own tax payments. This means setting aside a portion of your income for taxes and understanding which expenses you can deduct. Remember, it's always wise to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're meeting all your obligations. Understanding your legal and tax obligations is a key part of being a responsible freelancer. So, you've learned the ins and outs of going freelance full-time. Now, it's time to take the leap. We've journeyed through the process together, from understanding the current landscape of freelancing to preparing yourself personally and professionally. We've talked about the importance of a solid business plan, building a diverse skill set, and establishing a strong online presence. You've learned about the power of networking, the financial aspects of freelancing, how to navigate client relationships, and the importance of maintaining a work-life balance. We've explored how to adapt to market changes and discussed the legal and tax considerations. The road to freelancing full-time may have its challenges, but with preparation and dedication, you can overcome them. So embrace the freedom that comes with freelancing. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and boundless opportunities. Remember, the world of freelancing is full of opportunities. With the right preparation, you can make it work for you. Go ahead, take the leap, and enjoy the ride.